Wheels Top 10, your weekly roundup of the hottest trends in the automobile industry. Another week has gone by in the world of automobiles, so let's quickly get on to it.
Maruti Suzuki India has retained its market leader status with 17,50,000 PVs sold in 2025 as of 25th of December. According to Vahan data, Mahindra & Mahindra has overtaken Hyundai and Tata Motors to secure second spot with 5,81,000 units sold. Kia has staged its strongest ever sales in India and is gearing up to roll out a fully redesigned version of its global bestseller, the Seltos, in January, as it looks to enhance its presence in the fast-growing Asian market. Mahindra & Mahindra's latest teaser for its upcoming XUV 7XO SUV drops a big revelation: a Harman Kardon sound system paired with Dolby Atmos technology. The 7XO is set to launch on 5th of January with pre-bookings ready open. MG Motors Indian unit has revamped its assured buyback program for EVs in India. It has extended the tenure of its buyback drive from 3 up to 5 years now. Well, this covers all its EVs. Honda has announced a price hike across its entire range in India. Effective from January 2026, the car major sells 4 models in India: Amaze, City, City Hybrid and Elevate SUV. The exact is yet to be announced. Hyundai Motor India has forayed into the commercial mobility segment with the rollout of 2 models in its Prime Taxi range. Bookings are open for Prime HP and Prime SD. Kawasaki has rolled out its 2026 Vulcan S mid-capacity cruiser in India at an ex-showroom price of 8,13,000 rupees. The latest Vulcan S comes with regulatory upgrade and fresh visual touch. Ducati India has launched its highly anticipated motorcycle, the X-Diavel V4. It is the new avatar of the stunning sport cruiser that boosts 168 horsepower at 10,750 RPM. With improving manufacturing and greater internal checks, vehicle recalls in India have dropped to their lowest level in 8 years, with a total of 1,19,173 vehicles across two-wheeler, car and SUV segment in 2025, according to SIAM data. Ola Electric has received government certification for its Roadster X Plus 9.1 kWh electric motorcycle. The company can now use indigenous batteries on this bike.
Well, that's it for this week. See you next time on Wheels Top 10.